My name's Big Mike Esser. I'm a culinary trained chef whose last name literally translates eater. I'm on a mission to shine a spotlight on the killer food being put out by some of the baddest restaurants on the block. This is Big Mike Certified. Well, I decided I was going to order all 7 variations of their street tacos. Let's get it. Cilantro, onion, a little bit of that green sauce, a little bit of that red sauce. Fresh. That's a drive-thru. That's going to be nice on them tacos. Woo. Like 9 different variations. That's cool. Usually you only get like 3, green, red, orange. Not LTO. Here you get nueve. So while they're hooking up those tacos, you saw me grab one of these. Jarritos, guava flavor. I like the glass bottle. They got the glass cokes and stuff like that, you know. But looks like you got some horchata, maybe some Jamaica in there as well. The aqua frescas. I went with this one. It's nice. Real nice. All right, now what we got going on over here? Look at this stack of tacos, all 7. Bam! Let's officially get this one started. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna call them out as I go, so you kind of know where I'm at. Carnitas, a little bit of onion, a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of cheese, guacamole. That's a nice carnita taco. Nice shredded meat. Good flavor to it. Guacamole salsa on top. Last bite. Dip it in my mix. All right, carne asada. You up? This one I just went cilantro onion. Pretty standard street taco style. Cool. Good flavor. Nice and savory. Good chew on it. I like that. All right, 2 tacos in, 2 tacos nice. Whew. This little bad boy is filled to the brim with some grilled chicken. Nice big old chunks. Tons of flavor. Woo. I try it their way, then I dip it in my sauce. Kind of back and forth. Classic ground beef street taco. A lot of good fat in there. You taste the fat, the flavor of the fat. Not no chunks of fat, the flavor of it. It's ground beef, so there's some of that mixed in there. It's the only way to keep it from being dry, but very mild flavor. I would almost even compare it to like a sloppy Joe, maybe. It's cool. This one got my fingers nice and greasy. 4 down, 3 to go. Nice shredded chicken taco. Got some good flavor. I think the shredded chicken really gets an assist from the onion, the cilantro, the guacamole, and the cheese on top. Still killer though. Shredded beef. Looks like it's got all kinds of flavor up in that meat. I'm getting full. Tons of flavor. That's nice. All right, family. We're down to the last one. I saved one of my favorites from the past for last. Adobada. Slow cooked, seasoned to perfection. I love me some adobada, so let's check this one out. Tons of good flavor. So, as I'm eating, I've dropped pieces. I didn't finish a couple tacos all the way because I was trying to muscle through the end. What I've done is I've taken all the scraps and put it into one, monster street taco. So it's a little bit of everything, dipped up in my creation of a sauce. Finish this bad boy off to say, El Tio Taco Shop, you're doing it. Very authentic, very friendly, very nice, very delicious. The carnage. All right, family, thanks for joining me today. Thanks for kicking with your man. Do me a favor, hit them buttons down below. I appreciate it. In the meantime, go do something that puts a smile on your face. That would make me happy. Meantime, we set this down. This is Big Mike Certified. Till next time, peace. We out. All right, well, another one in the books. Feels good. Hope the audio didn't stink. It was kind of loud in there. I wasn't planning on filming, so I didn't have an external mic with me. Fingers crossed.